Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook belt fish. First, let's prepare our fish. Begin by rinsing it thoroughly under cold water. Next, carefully scrape off any remaining scales and trim the fins and tail with kitchen shears. Once clean, cut the fish into manageable pieces, about 3 to 4 inches in length. This preparation ensures your fish is ready for delicious seasoning and cooking, making it easier to handle and serve. Now, let's infuse our belt fish with incredible flavor. Marinate the pieces with a simple yet effective blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. For an added depth, consider incorporating 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let the fish rest in this marinade for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This step is crucial for ensuring every bite is bursting with delicious taste. For a crispy and tender result, pan frying is an excellent choice. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Gently place the marinated belt fish pieces into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each side for approximately 3 to 4 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and flakes easily with a fork. This method yields a wonderfully satisfying texture. Your delicious belt fish is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately alongside a comforting bowl of steamed white rice or a crisp, refreshing salad. For an appealing presentation and a burst of fresh flavor, garnish with some finely chopped fresh cilantro or green onions. A final squeeze of lime or a drizzle of your favorite light dipping sauce will elevate the experience, making every bite truly memorable. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.